Let me start with cockroach. Scientific name of cockroach is Periplaneta americana and its phylum is Arthropoda, class is Insecta, order is Blatodi, genus is Periplaneta, species is Americana. Now, so there are two species of cockroach. One is Periplaneta americana, another one is Blatta orientalis. Now, it also explains by fossil study that these cockroach were there in the Carboniferous period about 350 million years ago. And these ancient cockroaches had the ability to fly. তারা উড়তে পারতো. So they were the first flying animals. Cockroaches are found at places where there is warmth. And cockroaches are more active in summer. And they are nocturnal. Okay. Now they are omnivorous. Omnivorous means that they can feed on all types of food. And they can locomote very hard, or they can locomote faster. Now here you can see they have three pairs of legs. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now first let me explain what is the difference between a male cockroach and a female cockroach. Now in a male cockroach there are 4 protuberances from the back. These two are the 2 protuberances and these two are the style. So male cockroach possess style. But here if you see, this is a female cockroach, it does not contain any style. So this is the basic difference between male and female cockroach. And also you can see that anal style is present in male and anal style is absent in female. And the abdomen of female is slightly inflated, একটু মোটা টাইপের হয় abdomen of female cockroach. Cockroach is unisexual, that means male female are different, so they are called dimorphic. The young one is called nymph, okay, and the nymph gradually becomes metamorphosed into an adult one. This slow change is called metamorphosis. Now let us explain the head region of cockroach. Now as I told you that the body of cockroach is divided into 3 major parts: head, thorax and abdomen. Now it's an arthropoda, so they have jointed legs. Now let us see a close view of the head of the cockroach. Now head is prognathous. Prognathous means it points at the base. Okay, head is prognathous, that means it lies at right angle to the long axis. Okay, and this is the head region. Just আমাদের মাথার সিথিটা কল্পনা করে পড়তে হবে. First, there is the presence of these medial suture. There is the presence of these medial suture that divides the head into 2 regions called vertex. And there are the compound-eye which are made up of ommatidia. Now these two are the antennal socket, and just in front of the medial suture there is the frons. There is the frons, and then these 2 sides of the frons are called gena, and in front of the frons there is clypeus. Clypeus is followed by the mouth part labrum. Okay, so this is the head region of cockroach. It has compound eye made up of ommatidia. There is one medial suture that divides the head of the cockroach into epicranial plates. Now in front of the medial suture there is the frons, then there is the sides wise it is the gena, then there is the mandible and maxilla. In front of the frons there is clypeus, and then there is the labrum. Okay, now this is the ventral view. Ventral view means যখন আমি ব্যাক করে দেখছি সেটাকে দেখতে পাচ্ছি জেনা দেখা যাচ্ছে, and there is the occipital foramen. Now let us come now to the mouth parts of cockroach. The mouth parts of cockroach consists of upper lip called labrum. This is the labrum. lower lip called labium. This is the labium. So this is the labrum, this is the labium, these are the two mandibles, and these are the two maxilla. And tongue-like structure is called hypopharynx. Just see, this is the labrum, it has epipharynx, notch, mandible has got teeth with which it catches anything for eating, and then it is the maxilla which has the stipe, cardo, maxillary pulp, gilia, and then this is the labium. It has submentum, mentum, glossa, paraglossal, and this is the tongue region. So this comprises the mouth part of cockroach. Okay. Now, thorax. Then we will go to the thorax. Just remember which part of it, glossa is in the labium and all. Now this is the thorax part, means it has segments, okay, 8 to 10 segments. Here we can see that it has 8 to 10 segments. There's 8 segments, ekhaneo 8 থেকে 10 segments থাকছে. Next, যদি if you want to see the leg part, this is the leg part. It has claw, ওই জন্য আঁশলা গায়ে উঠলে কাটা কাটা লাগে. So this is the coxa, this is the femur, okay, this is the tibia, then this is the tarsus, then plantula, claw, and palvius. So this is the coxa, this is the trochanter, this is the femur, this one is the femur, this is the tibia, tarsus, plantar, claw. There are two pairs of wings, okay, one is mesothoracic wing, another is metathoracic. The outer wing is hard, but the inner wing are soft. This is all about the external structure.